in your projects we are using totally, these are all the training model. The first one will be VGG, the second one will be insertion, MobileNet, NASNet, squeezing, and simple CNN. So these are all the totally 6 training module we are using, and we are using Dataset. Hello ma'am. So it's providing less accuracy. If I increase the e-pouches, obviously this accuracy also leads to be nearly 90%. Okay, it is based on this training module, and I am using totally 4 classes for training, validation and testing. So these are all the layers. For this I am using accuracy. For training it's reached 0.7% above, and for testing this is loss values. And this is the final thing, it is simple CNN, just a CNN. For simple CNN it's providing you the accuracy for 20 e-pouches 72. So comparatively VGG net, insertion, MobileNet, NASNet and SysNet will providing you high accuracy than simple CNN. Once each training has been over, we are creating training modules. So those training module will be saved as .hf files. Like this is for VGG net, and this is for NASNet, simple CNN, insertion, and this is for MobileNet. So I given the path mistakenly here. This is for MobileNet, and this is for SysNet. Totally 6 training module has been created.